Okay, in this question we have to construct two function that is y 0 theta and phi y 2 theta and phi, and we have given three uh, function which are p m phi are equal to. First function is 1 minus x square into mod of m divided by 2 into d out of dx mod of m pl into n, and the second function is p phi x equal to 1 out of 2n and n factorial into d out of dx phi into x square minus 1 phi, and the third function is psi m phi into theta and phi equal to epsilon under root 2 phi h out of 4n into phi minus m factorial divided by phi plus m factorial e raised to the power iota m phi pm phi cos theta. So here the value of epsilon can be calculated this using this formula minus m raised to the power m is greater than equal to 0 or m is less than equal to 0. Now use this formula and construct the wave function. So the first wave function is y 0 theta phi. So we use this formula and calculate its value. So under root 1 out of 4 pi into as n is equal to 0, so 0 factorial into 1 into p naught 0 and cos theta, as this is the legendary uh, formula, so this is equal to 1, so therefore we can write y 0 theta phi equal to 1 out of and root 4 pi. So where theta is less than equal to pi and greater than equal to 0, and phi is greater than equal to 0 and less than equal to 2 pi, and the other function which is y1 and 1 sorry 2 into theta phi is equal to minus 1 and root 5 out of 4 pi 1 factorial out of 3 factorial e iota phi p1 to cos theta. So this can be written as theta phi is equal to minus 1 and root 5 out of 24 pi e raised to the power iota phi, the p where m is equal to 1 and l is equal to 2 cos theta. So this is not equal to 1, so the corresponding legendary polynomial can be uh, find out as p2x. We have to find out as p2x. If we find p2x, then we get p1 2x, and this will lead us to p2 cos theta. So therefore p2x equal to 1 out of 2 square into 2 1 2 factorial into derivative of dx. So into x4 minus 2r square plus 1. So therefore this 2x is equal to 1 out of 8 d out of dx into it taking the derivative we 4x cube minus 4x. So therefore p2x equal to 1 out of 8 into 12x square minus 4. So therefore p2x equal to 1 out of 2 into 3x square minus 1. And now the associated legendary polynomial p1 2x equal to 1 minus x square 1 out of 2 d into dx into 1 out of 2 into 3x square minus 1. So therefore this become equal to 1 out of 2 and root 1 minus x square into 6x. So therefore p1 2x equal to 3x and root 1 minus x square. Now we have p1 2 cos theta equal to 3 cos theta and root 1 minus x square. So therefore p cos theta is equal to 3 sin theta cos theta, and therefore y12 into theta and phi is equal to minus and root 5 out of 24 pi e minus iota phi into 3 sin theta cos theta. And now we have to check both the function are denormalized or not. So therefore we can write it as 0 to pi 0 to 2 pi 1 out of 4 sin theta d theta and d phi. So this can be written as 2 pi out of 4 pi to 0 to pi sin theta d theta. So integrating we get 1 out of 2 into minus cos theta pi and 0. So this become 1 out of 2 into minus 1 minus sorry 1 minus into minus 1. So this is equal to minus 1 out of 2 into 2. So this will get cancelled and it become minus 1. So this function is a denormalized function. And now again we have function which is 0 to 2 pi and 0 to pi 15 out of 8 pi sine square cos square theta d theta and d phi. So this function become 15 out of 8 pi into 2 pi function from 0 to pi sine cube theta cos square theta d theta. So therefore 15 out of 4 into 0 to pi sine theta into 1 minus cos square theta into cos square theta d theta. So let u is equal to cos theta, then du by d theta equal to minus sine theta, and this become 15 out of 4 into this is 1 plus 1 into to 1, and this become 1 minus u square into minus du. Then interchanging the integral in the limits, we get 15 out of 4 minus 1 to plus 1, 1 minus u square du. So therefore this become 15 out of 4 into 2, and the integral is from 0 to 1 into 1 minus u square du. So putting the limit, we get 15 out of 2 into 1 out of 3 minus 1 out of u 3 out of 3 and u 5 out of 5. So this become 15 out of 2 into 5 minus 3 out of 15, and we get the value as 1.